Dear Megan, forget about SEO, how many views you're gonna get, and how many subscribers you have. Think about what you would do differently if you started over from zero again. 0 subscribers, that is. Let's jump back to April 13th, 2020, the day you started your YouTube channel. Would you do anything differently? Tell me what you would say to your past self about your YouTube journey this far. If you have a YouTube channel, I encourage you to do the same, but I am getting ready to tell you all of my secrets and what I wish I would have told myself if I could go back in time. Hey y'all, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more YouTube related content and vlogs. I am so glad y'all are here today because this is going to be an awesome video. And make sure you give it a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel and it's free of charge to y'all. So let's just get started with the video. Bye. Do you know that feeling when you're watching your favorite show on Netflix and you get to the very last episode of the season? You get a little depressed and honestly you don't know what to do with the rest of your life anymore. That's because you become emotionally invested in the characters of that show. So you want to become that character for your audience. That way they fall in love with your personality and are always wanting to come back for more. So I guess what I'm trying to say is just be yourself. So going off the whole Netflix thing, watch a lot of it. You might be thinking, what the heck, Megan, right? Well, think about it. When you watch Netflix, you usually end up watching a whole season in 2 days. Or is that just me? No? Okay, good. The people making these shows are actually experts, so you want to learn from them. They know how to keep an audience engaged by using different editing techniques and different filming styles, so really you can learn a lot from this. A good show to maybe watch is Outer Banks, which is kind of a boring storyline, but with the editing and filming they did in the show was fabulous, and I've already watched it like 3 times already, so go watch that show. You can learn a lot from them. Okay, so now that you're done watching Netflix, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Don't get caught up in what's popular on YouTube. Yeah, so you might get a lot of views for like a second, but you should make videos that you really like to make. So girl, if you don't like making TikTok videos, don't make TikTok videos. Make the videos you want to make. So along with that, don't get caught up in the numbers of YouTube, like how many views and the number of subscribers you have. My suggestion would to just make videos that you like and you love to make. Another thing, don't care what other people think. Not everybody is gonna like you, and that's okay. If you let them get to you, then that's your own fault for not growing. People will eventually subscribe if they like your content, honey, so just forget about the haters. As like a little bonus, here's a little quote that I like to live by. Money, money, money. Don't get caught up in the money. I've been on YouTube for 3 months now, almost 4 months, and I have not seen a cent to my name. Not even a penny. So don't do YouTube if you're just in it for the money. I know one of the biggest YouTubers right now, Alicia Marie, was on YouTube for 4 years before she actually started making income from YouTube. And she made a video about this, so y'all go check it out. I will link it down below in the description. So if you're in it for the money, hit the road, Jack, and don't come back. Next on my list, don't do sub for a sub. This is one of the worst things that you can do for your channel, and if you take anything away from this video, this is probably the most important thing that you can take away. It is actually against YouTube's terms and agreements, and so you're breaking YouTube policy if you do sub for a sub. So if you don't want to take my word for it, listen to the YouTube algorithm. One of its main players is audience retention rate, and by doing sub for a sub, you ruin your audience retention rate. So you may be wondering what audience retention rate. This is how long somebody watches your video, and by doing sub for sub, you ruin that because somebody may click on your video to watch it for like a minute or two, but that's not going to help your audience retention because YouTube actually looks to see how long people watch your videos, and if they watch them for a longer time, then they're more likely to suggest your videos. So if you do sub for sub, then you're just going to ruin your audience retention rate and your videos won't get promoted by YouTube. Okay, y'all, so this is this week's video shout out right here. You are doing amazing, girl. So keep doing what you're doing, and everybody go check out her channel. Okay, y'all, so that's all I have for you today. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel and it's free to you, so why not? Also, hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more YouTube related content and advice videos, along with some fun vlogs. I'm getting ready to move, so watch out for them moving vlogs, y'all. Oh, also make sure you comment your, if you made it this far in the video, comment your favorite YouTuber. Also, follow me on Instagram right here. Is that right, or do I always do this wrong? Right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. I hope that wasn't too shaky. Am I crooked? The light is changing on me. Oh.